Hey, what's up? It's me, Day. I know I've been gone for a long time. Hi, Pooh. You wanna be in the video? Okay. Aww. This is my baby, my old man baby. Okay, go eat or whatever. But I know I've been gone for a while. I've just been going through a lot. It was like something would happen, and then even before I could get over it, something else would happen. Like it's like dumbasses, dumb niggas, dumb bitches, bitch ass niggas. It's just a lot going on. There's still a lot going on, and now it's gotten to the point where like my mental health is going down the trash, like down the toilet. It's just a lot, but I just wanted to check in because I feel like that's the least I can do. Because a few people have been messaging me. When I say a few, I mean like 2. A couple people have been messaging me, asking me where I'm at, what I'm doing, and stuff. And I think I'm gonna like switch up my channel a little bit, because my channel has been holistically makeup, but like my dream job, I don't know if my dream job is to be a makeup artist. Like I like doing makeup, I like doing other people's makeup. Makeup is a good stress reliever for me, but I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Like I'm not gonna give up on makeup. I feel like I should use YouTube or to keep track like of my mental state and what's really going on, because it's like everybody's doing the same thing on YouTube. Everybody's doing makeup. Sorry. Everybody's doing makeup. Everybody's doing video games. Everybody's doing story times. Everybody's just doing everything that everybody else is doing because they want to check. And of course, everybody wants the check, but like I just feel like there's more that I can do personally, because for one, like I suffer from depression and anxiety and whoop-de-whoop-de-woo, everything else you can think of. So I don't like to talk about things. That's just how I've always been ever since I was little. I don't like to talk about things that bother me. But I've gotten to a point where like I need to talk about it, and I've tried to talk to people about it. I've tried to talk to like professional people about it, and it's just like a really judgmental feel, and I don't like to talk to people who haven't experienced anything. Like, how I'm gonna talk to you about my depression, but you've never experienced it. How I'm gonna talk to you about anxiety, but you've never experienced it. So it's like, we don't have that connection. But, so like, personally, like, I watch other people's YouTube videos who go through it, and that's like how I really relate. And like, I know I can't physically talk to people. Y'all can't physically talk to me through the video. It's not FaceTime or anything. But it's like, I relate to people. Like, the person I relate to the most is Glamazon Tay. And like, she's one of the only people I watch. I watch like her, He Flawless, Jazz and Tay, and that's about it on YouTube. That's all I ever really watch is them. And like, I just really relate to Glamazon Tay because I just feel like they're her old videos or whatever, but I just really relate to her. So I was like, maybe I'll start to feel better if I talk about it. But since I don't want to talk to anybody, I can talk to YouTube, and then my testimony can help somebody else. Kind of like how Glamazon Tay's testimony, like how she was just vulnerable and she just talked about it, and then you could see over time like how she just changed as a person. And I'm not gonna cry. Like, I'm not telling myself I wouldn't. I'm not gonna cry on camera. Not yet. I'm not gonna cry on camera. But I just feel like that's what I need to do. Because I've always felt like that. I was like, I always know like God uses this as a vessel. And the things like things that you could be going through, you never talk about it, but it could be somebody else around you in your circle, or like a mutual friend of somebody else or something like that who's going through it. And like if you just tell your story, it could help somebody else get through what they're going through. Because I just been watching Glamazon Tate's videos. Like I've watched her videos before, like when she was going through it, but now that I'm going through it again and I'm at a point where I need help, but it's like nothing's helping me, maybe talking about it and keeping track of it and things like that will help me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna give up on makeup or anything, even though I haven't done my makeup in a very, very long time. Like a very long time. Very, very long time. Like I haven't bought lashes since December. That's how long I haven't done my makeup, because I've bought lashes since December, and it is March 24th, I believe. Yeah, March 24th, Saturday, 2018. So yep, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know you will see a demeanor change, because I've had videos recorded, because I haven't uploaded a video, I don't know, God knows when, last semester, and it's March. But I've recorded videos, I just haven't edited it, and I just need y'all to know that you will see a demeanor change, and I'm just going through stuff with my mental health, so you will see a demeanor change in my videos. But that's all I had to say. I'm about to finish eating these mandarin oranges because they was good, but I didn't want to smack in your face because that's rude or whatever, even though I dropped my spoon in my fork in the sink or whatever. But I'll see y'all later, okay?
Okay, turn it off.